Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in Mozilla Thunderbird. Launch the program and click on the menu in the upper right corner and select Settings. Navigate to the Network and Disk Space section. Next, to configure how Thunderbird connects to the Internet, click on Settings. By default, Thunderbird uses the proxy settings configured in your operating system. To manually set a proxy, select Manual Proxy Configuration. Enter the IP address and port for your proxy according to the protocol type you are using. If there are specific resources for which you do not want to use the proxy, list them in the No Proxy For section, separating each entry with a comma. Once all the information is entered, click OK to save your settings. Next, if you are using a private proxy, a window will prompt you to enter your username and password during the setup process. Input these details to proceed. And that's it. The proxy setup is complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.